All right, a little bit of Mustang stuff. The parts came in that we ordered. I just figured I'd do a kind of a quick unboxing, show this stuff off. All right, we have our upper rail moldings here that get installed right here. Brand new. They're going to go really nice with our new windows. I also got they sell a bolt kit for installing the fenders. Check that out. It comes with everything to install the splash shields, the fenders, all new clips up through here. So we're good to go there. Mine were looking just a bit aged. So with that, I also got the newer 91 to 93 front fender moldings. So we're going to trim our fenders. We're going to get them installed. I also picked up a brand new set of the bolts, or the nuts per se, that actually hold these on. Along with that, here's our other side. Right hand and left hand moldings. Now, we did get our nice new lug nuts with open ends to install our nice new 17-inch Pony R's. And what else do we have in here? All right, we have what they sell here now is front bumper cover installation kit. What this does is it allows you to install the front bumper onto the actual light bar. So let's check that out real quick here. I used to have to buy the popper of it separate from Ford so that I had everything matching. See, I have two bumper covers here. This is the one that we removed off of the vehicle. At the time when I had bought these parts for this, I ended up getting something cheap, and I now remember that this light bar here was actually kind of damaged, and I did have a couple bolts back out on this. This was one that was off of a car. I've probably had this cover, man, a long time. As you can tell, it's a little green because it sits out, but it looks like everything is pretty decent here. I do also have another OEM used light bar, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I might reuse this bumper cover and install a new light bar on this one. It looks like I have the lower metal on that side and the lower metal on this side, so I have a set of those. I probably, if I'm correct, I think I might have a set of those somewhere else also. But regardless, the install kit gives you all of these pop rivets here, which are black and look really nice when they are installed at the appropriate time, after it's painted and the bumper cover is onto the light bar. So both of these do need sanded down. I was looking at maybe possibly getting a new bumper cover, but I know how a lot of the aftermarket stuff is. It turns into being a lot of work. I did actually use some of the aftermarket GT bumpers on a GT years before. But this is just supposed to be a real quick unboxing video. You can see here, look, they give you all of the pop rivets. Here's some clips. Is this the right one? Yeah, cover. And then they give you all new nuts to go on. So there's the bolts that go in, there's the clips. They give you all new nuts to go on all of the fittings across the back side of the bumper cover. All of these non-existent ones here, and these lowers also. And they probably give you this one too, which most of the time I never see those reinstalled on a car. I think that bracket would go like right here. There's like a little L bracket that bolts into. I never really see those installed. But anyway, man, props to LMR getting me some more Mustang parts out this week. Great job. I order, they ship everything out the next day. We've already got our next order already planned. I'm ordering the new molding to go around here across the top. I have two sets for the rear here around this. I would probably get this stuff new, but I guess hopefully the black trim paint that they have, or you can get, is actually going to be close enough to the rest of everything else and not look so bad. So here's where we're at. As far as the last video, we did get everything cleaned. I didn't really do too much in that aspect, but hey, we got some more Mustang parts. We got some more of the car tore apart, and that's just a little real quick unboxing. Thanks LMR for the parts.